Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about your place in the universe? Or felt the warmth of our golden sun on your face and marveled at how our lives are sustained by a fiery ball 150 million kilometers away? There are more stars in our universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth combined. Our planet is but a mote of dust suspended on a sunbeam. Little wonder then that the beauty and abundance of outer space has called to the spirit of exploration that is characteristic to our species. Hello, my name is Gérardine Goh Escolar. I am Adjunct Associate Professor of Law at the National University of Singapore. Today, I'd like to give a broad introductory overview of international space law, what it is, how it came about, and the context in which it operates.